Transform your living space with the best 60-inch linear gas fireplace, a perfect blend of elegance and functionality. Whether you're revamping your home or adding a cozy ambiance, this modern fireplace brings warmth and style to any room. Designed with cutting-edge technology, it offers efficient heating and stunning visual appeal. From sleek lines to customizable flame effects, this is the ultimate upgrade for comfort and aesthetics. Stick around as we explore why this is the best choice for your home. Number 1. Silonn 60 inches Electric Fireplace. With a sleek design and powerful functionality, this electric fireplace delivers a heating capacity of 5,300 BTUs, effectively warming any room in your home. The adjustable temperature range between 62 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit ensures you can customize the level of comfort to suit your needs, making it a versatile addition to any space. The unit stands out for its smart app control, allowing you to manage its functions remotely and ensure your room is pre-warmed whenever you need it. For added convenience, a remote control and user-friendly control panel are also included. This fireplace doesn't just provide warmth, it enhances the ambiance with 20 flame color modes and an automatic color changing feature. The crystal effect adds a touch of elegance, making it perfect for setting the mood during family gatherings, holidays, or quiet evenings. Operating quietly at under 45 decibels, it ensures a peaceful atmosphere without disturbing your relaxation. A built-in child lock and timer feature provide peace of mind, making it a safe option for families. Effortlessly blending functionality and style, this model is energy efficient, reliable, and packed with features designed for convenience and safety. Its ability to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere makes it a standout choice for those looking to elevate their living space while staying warm and comfortable. Whether it's for practical heating or aesthetic enhancement, this unit checks all the boxes for a modern and versatile electric fireplace. Number 2. BOSSIN 60-inch Linear Electric Fireplace. This electric fireplace combines a sleek, ultra-thin design with impressive functionality, making it a perfect addition to modern living spaces. At just 3.85 inches thick, it offers a streamlined appearance that complements any decor, whether in a living room, bedroom, or entertainment center. Its tempered glass front and black linear frame add a contemporary touch, while the front air outlet ensures efficient heating without compromising the minimalist aesthetic. Packed with features, this fireplace provides 12 flame and LED flame bed color modes, 5 flame speed settings, and 5 brightness levels, offering endless customization options. The automatic flame design and realistic crystal glass stones mimic the charm of a real fire, creating a cozy ambiance for any occasion. Its user-friendly operation includes both a touchscreen and a remote control, making it easy to manage settings like power, timer, flame adjustments, and sleep mode. Designed for quiet operation, it emits less than 40 decibels of noise, ensuring it doesn't disrupt your peace. Number 3. Touchstone Smart Electric Fireplace. Designed for recessed in-wall mounting, this electric fireplace brings the traditional charm of a real fire to any modern home. Its realistic flames, ranging from a soft ember glow to an intense blaze, create a cozy atmosphere perfect for any setting. The flame settings are adjustable, allowing you to easily tailor the ambiance to suit your mood. Whether you prefer a subtle flicker or a bold, vibrant display, this fireplace offers 5 flame settings to achieve the perfect look. The installation is simple, and the unit can be securely mounted to framing studs, offering flexibility in terms of placement. Its ventless design ensures safety, with the sides and back remaining cool to the touch even when the heat is on. The fireplace is also equipped with faux fire logs and crystals to enhance its authenticity, adding an extra layer of realism to the flames. Ideal for use in both warm and cool climates, this model allows you to operate the flames without the heat, making it a year-round solution. The included IR remote control offers complete command over the heat and flame settings, and the unit can be hardwired for a seamless, in-wall installation. This electric fireplace is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of warmth and style to their home. With its user-friendly features, realistic flame effects, and safe operation, it's an excellent choice for those who want to enjoy the ambiance of a fire without the hassle of traditional heating methods. Number 4. Electactic 60 inches Electric Fireplace. Offering a combination of modern design and functional warmth, this electric fireplace is a standout addition to any home. Its 60-inch length and integrated sturdy metal body make it both durable and stylish, fitting seamlessly into various rooms. The high-intensity LED lights create a realistic flame effect that mimics the natural behavior of fire, with flames emerging and dancing across the display. Customers can customize the color of both the flame and the crystal bed to suit their preferences, offering 12 flame and crystal color options for a personalized experience. This fireplace features convenient control options, including both remote and touch screen functionality. With a 18-hour timer, adjustable flame color and speed, and independent heating and flame switches, it provides a high level of customization and convenience. The unit is designed to be energy efficient with two heat settings, 750W and 1500W, suitable for maintaining warmth in spaces up to 400 square feet while saving energy when needed. Safety is a top priority, with ETL certification and an auto heat kill feature to prevent overheating. The heat it produces helps maintain the natural humidity in the air, ensuring your room stays comfortable without becoming too dry. Whether for a cozy living room or as a focal point in a larger space, this electric fireplace offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal, making it a great choice for any modern home. Number 5. LEMBERI 60-inch Electric Fireplace. With its sleek design and efficient heating capabilities, this electric fireplace is the perfect blend of style and functionality. Measuring just 3.2 inches thick, it takes up minimal space, making it ideal for both wall mounting and recessed installations in any room. The fireplace is equipped with 12 flame colors and 12 flame bed colors, providing a vast range of customization to match your desired ambiance. Whether you prefer a soft glow or a more intense flame, it offers 5 flame speed settings and 5 brightness levels, allowing you to create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. This unit is designed to be energy efficient, offering 2 heating modes, 750W and 1500W, to suit different temperature needs. The adjustable temperature settings ensure that you can maintain a comfortable room environment, while the supplemental heating can effectively warm spaces up to 400 square feet. You can even choose to display the flames without the heat, providing a beautiful visual effect year-round. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.